Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Nelo here with a very beautiful face. So you guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys this gorgeous wig, and it's from CurlsCurls. It came in this packaging, you guys already know. So when I received this wig, I'm going to be showing you guys on the screen right now. When I received this wig, I had to co-wash it because whenever I get a coily wig, I like to co-wash it, which is basically washing it with just conditioner and condition it, or rinsing it off and conditioning it without really using shampoo. So this is what it looked like when I just got it straight out of the box. This is what the wig looked like, and the first thing I noticed is how soft this wig is. It already felt so soft even before I co-washed it. That tells me that the quality is amazing. This wig is 100% human hair. It is soft and easy to manage, and I can already tell from this very point because of just how easy and soft it looks and feels. So I went ahead and co-washed it, and this is what it looks like. And now I'm just going to apply conditioner and just products to make the coils pop, okay? I'm then going to use my fingers to twist the ends so that the ends will be chunky. So the coils are a bit like thinner hair, and then the ends I want it to have like chunky coils when I put it on my head, like when I install it the next day. So I went ahead and I used my fingers to just twist it around. It's very easy, you guys. Just watch, like it's really easy. Okay, it's the next day, and this is what this wig is looking like. You guys, take a look at this coils. It is so gorgeous. So this is the part that I twisted. You guys can see when I put this on my head and lose this part, you're going to see what I mean. The ends are going to be really chunky and beautiful. The coils are so gorgeous. I'm still going to like sprinkle small water, you guys already know. But yeah, it came with this band to help you secure it on your head. So we have this band here, and it also came with a lot of pins to help you secure it to be snug. Can you guys see? To be snug on your head, which I'm going to be using today. So before we even get into this, so you guys can see how I packed my hair. So I packed my hair back, right? And then I have these two in front here, which I'm going to lose right now because what's it called? I pack my hair like this so that I don't waste time packing my hair in front of the camera. This part of the hair now, I'm going to divide it into two, but one side is going to be smaller, so the outer side is going to be smaller and the inner side is going to be bigger, and you guys will understand why I'm doing so in a minute. Okay, you guys, so if you notice, I have one small, one big, one small, one big, and this is a V-part wig, and it came with clips at the edges like this. So I'm going to unclip all of them, and then I'm going to be inserting this right here on the smaller part, okay? And then these two big ones are going to be visible. Guys, this wig is already looking so good. I know we look a little bit crazy right now because we've not finished up, but this is what it's going to be looking like when you're at this point. So now I'm going to free these coils. This one's in front a little, I almost entered my mouth. So now I'm going to free these coils a little bit, and yeah, so after I've freed it a little bit, I'm going to use a crochet needle, right? So I have one right here, and I'm going to bring out strands of hair from the wig like this, right? And I'm going to crochet it into this part right here and then bring it out so that it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Okay, so because I want the wig to be a little puffy, I'm just going to run my hands through it. And this wig is still so soft. Like, I don't want it to be too puffy, but I want it to kind of have volume. So I'm going to run my hand through it a little bit. Guys, so this is the finished look and I'm feeling myself so freaking much. This wig is 100% human hair and it's so soft and easy to manipulate. You guys can see that even though I use a crochet to like crochet needle to bring it out from here, I could manipulate it easily, flatten it, like adjust it to look exactly how I want it to look. And I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm so happy, because I rarely wear coily hair because of laying edges and heat, but with this style I can actually use this wig in so many ways. I can pack it all back, I can make it look like it's my hair packed, I can do ponytail, like I can do anything with this wig. And you can also straighten this wig if you want to. You can straighten this wig, you can do whatever you want to this wig, okay? I should also mention that this wig is very affordable. You can get this wig starting from $135, which we know is a steal for amazing quality like this. If you know, you know, okay? Spend your money wisely. This wig is affordable if you ask me. And the coils are gorgeous. You can dye it and you can straighten it. Okay, see, let me tell you something. I'm feeling myself, and I know you know because you can see me. Now I'm just thinking, where should I go? What should I do? Should I film IG content? But I don't really have any content planned for today, but I will find content. Go to Instagram, you'll see the content there, okay? Anyways, like I said at the beginning of this video, this week is from CurlsCurls. You guys should go check them out. All the links you need, all the details, discount code, whatever it is that you're looking for is going to be in my description box down below. So do check it out. And your girl is going to check out now because see, your girl, your baby is feeling herself, okay? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.